Hello guys, so today I'll be playing Grow Garden and I'll be trading. I have 2 kitsunes. I have 1 jumbo kitsune and I have a kitsune with ascended. So whoever wants to trade, just comment on my video your username. We're just waiting for us to join.
Coffee, ma. Coffee. Coffee. Guys, we going to trade today, so you'll need to comment your user and like and subscribe.
I will be checking tomorrow on my videos comments. So just
Whoever
comment.
gets the most
Whoever gets whoever comments first will trade. I'm trading my kitsunes.
and jump and
You must just tag me, guys.
and 2 red pandas.
So guys, today I'm trying to trade.
And we giving something away for free, guys. And that something is
Oh yo, we lagging.
dragonfly. My friend is not dragonfly.
So guys, this is my base.
As you can see, we have nothing yet. Psych, that's the wrong number. We got some stuff in here, like our maple resin.
So guys, right now you can see my kitsune, my corrupted one.
And they ate 100.
Both of them. So guys,
We cannot see our ascended kitsune.
I'll be trading my ascended kit
And my jumbo kitsune.
and my jumbo. Yes guys. So comment your username and I'll be giving away.
Peace out, guys.
I won't be giving away. I'll be trading.
Wait, let's trade. Let's see what they got.
Oh. Guys, whoever has a raccoon, please tag me.
And my user is the real Tyler68. No spaces, not big letters.
Thank you guys for watching. And thank you for liking and subscribing.
Peace out, guys.